Do you want to stay or go, or try JBL Go? Hello friends, today I'm doing a review of JBL Go. Keep on watching to see more. As you can see, I have bright yellow JBL Go speaker with me. As the manufacturer webpage, there are 8 different colors to choose from. The device is covered by very nice and pleasant material, maybe rubber, and the device seems to be splash proof. I see some videos putting this device into water while playing, and it still plays. Very impressive. Let's take a quick view into specifications. The device has 3-watt speaker. It weighs about 139 grams and has 600 milliamperes battery, which gives up to 5 hours playtime. But if you don't play music at max volume, you can play music about 7-8 hours. Let's see the design. Speaker has JBL logo on front and little light, which helps to determine if device is turned on or off. Speaker has 5 buttons on the top, and it is easy to understand each function from each button. It also has integrated microphone, so you are able to answer calls from your phone. You can also increase or decrease volume on device by these dedicated buttons.
Spaced out than Neil Armstrong ever did. Anything can happen tonight, you know. This could be the best night of my life. I've got 73 quid in my back burner. I've got wax on, man.
Let's talk about sound quality. To my mind, this device plays really well. Of course, you cannot expect deep and strong bass from such small device, but overall, the sound is really loud. So, in conclusion, I think it is very good device considering the such small size, the decent battery, the coating, and the price below 30 bucks. Okay folks, that's all for today. Please press like button if you like this button and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. See ya!